It's a mirror of justice. Me mirror of justice me patchere. Honorable, I will resign. Say me honorable resign. I want to say me patchere. Honorable Okudzeto Ablakwa. What I say? Honestly, the nickname. Honorable, I will resign. He say. Obeka say na ba mu na ne party ba office na say obi efa private jet oba resign. Enye no nko aka say ye ba mu na the party the party leaders every family and friends omo give appointment to family and friends oba resign. Ama for just say on resign free say Mahama the black voter any sankofa mines ama onua Ibrahim Mahama say on the company EMP and man ama for them say Ablakwa and resign to me dan so the Ablakwa as why shepa me want tribunal to radio mama e wo comment section aha Penyah block media metro say need you over like video no that my brother subscribe button somebody click the notification icon of latest update number tell why you mama e wo comment section let's rush about no watch you for so enya bi ahye yes as aswe so we say asma obekan untimi nya enka what I say Bible kura say sebe nyame chiri nkwase afo bohye obo mo hye bo muntimi diso o say enka u be sha o sha no diso ye okrom ha ana ebe ko 24 election Ablakwa ekwoto na TV so when I say oh amemu that time na it was alleged Ekufuado as a appointment Emma na busuafo ene na namfofo cause na konta mu nyina appointment because Kenoforiata enya appointed as finance minister Emma it was even alleged say Gabi Ochedawu crowd benya appointment just say na it was alleged say Ekufuado give position to family and friends into mu target Ekufuado government as family and friends government no ana Ablakwa ko Tuesday shimako e ko address issue na how dey put question say Ablakwa na okay ya te so aka nyina na ate ase na mu say oba aban mu na say o party member bi and say leaders ni in your party no as a common position give position to either family member or friend. What will you do? Ablakwa nkobri na so say should that thing happen or be resign every government ni or be resign on towards no movement or no or be resign
nipa bi to abaja pade na na bu mi awa no anka hwea
look, I can assure you sir and yes sir me kasa keke abano me free mo me resigning I won't be part of it say yeah ba aban mo say in some way I condemn me yes so yeah ba be the same thing I won't be part of such a government. I'll be part of the government. I'll just sit in parliament. Sabi, as a member of parliament. I don't have to be a minister. And there are so many other things I can do. There are so many people who are not in government. You even look better than I do. Yeah. I will not be part of such a government.
Yanka Mishemo, NWH, Anna Bro Vida Catro Mahama, the black voter. Any sound of a gold mines or the Ama. Ono Ibrahim Mahama or there's some concession be percentage of concession. Ono Ibrahim Mahama ni EMP mining companies omu na mine that black voter any sankofa gold mines. Na enumu ana monfo be say hey Ablakwa blah blah betenase middle of justice betenase Mr. Resign betenase because and some account 2024 no say afa na duru honu mu because Mahama what the Ghana Japade what the amonia e Ablakwa da be na be resign. Come and resign. That bad number is an Ablakwa between me and Tiasia. That bad now resigning.
Order for when Masama Asi will end this. When Masama Asi our Ablakwa, Minister of Foreign Affairs, on John Mahama tem. Ablakwa Kodin Komo, Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa. I said John Mahama, and I didn't say to film. I'm Beneton Paranwa. Assembly say, John Mahama, I a trofo. A bar was such a Ghana for. Sana Kufuado, any babon for. Eddie, now I did Ghana dream. When we also by ya, the same thing over John Mahama, Abushian Chamfa, out of what, and Koma Okudzeto Ablakwa. Aquadia water said here. Obakwa kwatinam na sabe dwafie no anyete as gracia ne ho batoro oh so many ways to survive yentie and something they say John Mahama wa award contract bi ade amani nua I friend say Ibrahim Mahama na ade be contract ni ya black voter and Sankofa Gold Project. Ayakao, Nana Guvado, Ajabo, Sajapadio. I am this is what I call you. I am John Mahama. And I debate politics. So say, former Minister of Foreign Affairs. For Kwametero. When you see the grand Kakway, Quality Besem, Adentia, Adia or promises sign. One who about Bemono, one gem may be seen. So dear, a good word of them. Abuka say a young family and friends no. Abaya, and one gasa chibao. And what they voter black gold project one wenny Adiamano. I don't know Okudzeto Ablakwa say. On now man for phone and none in the quiet. Set here biano. Obama John Mahama the Ghana for who say. Oba so about a small minor. It is a said here. Set John Mahama Basman through. Now what tell is a one for we are seeing answer and I go see it. Now one for one at Chinwa Bahana Frudia. And you know answer no Akabi. Enti en Gonton Pa John Mahama. Abeta Ghana for. A person betray John Mahama. I'm a Ghana for who said. One of friend of them so my Minister of Foreign Affairs. On Anyabi. I Ghana for a true about the man as MP. Eti Aquatanama Savage view. Shamra as lawmaker. Now I can conquer as a con motion. 9 years. Wajejen as Gracia and what you live. Each other for and come on. Aya Okudzeto Samuel Ablakwa and Yawako. So said here near Akoswano. Also, Bamade, when your post in India, Abuase, when your concession here. Now the Amam and my question on number 2. Because I said the Andy Savano. I have family and friends. Musumi Yamwa, Etimus Ramwa, Body Abandumano. I am when your concession now, Mummy. Not go to me go to. I have somebody else about Tommy. Said here, Yara John Mahama, what about this? Now what did I push any? And I was on Mokai. Or buy the same thing. Fast one. Or man in many years, you can say town. And I had the iPhone phone. And over the Omayaka here. You say, I can't eat. You're going to cheers on a father. I come on, go to Ghana for. Wahoo. Wahoo, Yansa, what about you about? Office. Nani. I can see a bar. As you tell the Yansa to a tuku any panamom. Not anamon, Abba Papa and Gosia. Sana politicians. I Ghana for. It's ready. Muangasa Musampa. Nana Gufado. Abaya wine. And one also by ya. Sankofa Gold Project. Black voter. Somebody has here. A Japa. PDS was a Japa scandals. Nana Gufado na ya. Ya Wunusu. Wabo the chairman and a Gufado. Ye two Nadiaso. Abaya. Or no acquire Sankofa. Go and take it again.
Good evening, Ghana. Formal education without common sense is a national disaster. That is why Ghana is in a mess and not developing. Check the government from the president to the least in government. They all have higher formal education. But look at the country. Look at Circle, for example, the capital. It's dirty. You see, all is because they lack common sense. That is why this fine gentleman on my screen called Hon Okudzeto Ablakwa, who now has a job as the Foreign Affairs Minister of Ghana, thinks that because of his new job title as Foreign Affairs Minister, then it means the famous quote, charity begins at home, has changed to charity begins abroad. That is why, since 3rd September, Manessa Azuri, the journalist, tweeted that the humanitarian crisis in the Ligiri conflict deserves more attention from the media and the government of Ghana. About 48,000 have been displaced and 14,000 Ghanaian refugees are in Burkina Faso and Cote d'Ivoire, according to NADMO. Manessa said this on the 3rd of September. And the Interior Minister, Mustafa Mubarak, confirmed it to Daily Graphic that indeed he is working with the Ivorian authorities and can confirm that 13,253 Ghanaians have fled to Cote d'Ivoire alone. And this is a video of the displaced people. The people fleeing the conflict in the Djibouti, in the northern region. You see? Can you see? This is the evidence. But what did the fine gentleman go and check Okudzeto Ablakwa's Twitter page or all of his social media page? If he has spoken about the conflict in Ghana happening at Djibouti in the northern region. Nope. A week after Manessa tweeted about the conflict in the north, he hasn't said anything. But instead, this is what he has said. He wrote, first let me read what he wrote on his official Twitter page. He said the government of Ghana joins many governments across the world and multilateral organizations such as the UN and the AU to unequivocally condemn Israel's unapproved attack on Qatar. President Mahama has conveyed a formal solidarity message to the Emir of Qatar through our foreign ministries. Ghana continues to urge dialogue, diplomatic reapproachment, respect for international law, commitment to two-state solution and the release of all hostages. And then this is the formal letter. It says, the government of the Republic of Ghana learned with deep concern the unprovoked Israeli attack on the sovereign state of Qatar, resulting in casualties, loss of lives and properties. The government of the Republic of Ghana condemns the attack in view of the fact that the airstrike constitutes a clear violation of international law and an affront to the sovereignty of the state of Qatar. This attack undermines ongoing pursuit of peace between the states of Palestine and Israel. His Excellency John Mahama and the people of Ghana stand in the people of Djibouti are not part because they are even suffering. Stand in solidarity with the Emir of Qatar, His Highness Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani, and the people of Qatar in these difficult times. Hon Okudzeto Ablakwa, Qatar, they are not in difficult times. They have good hospitals. They have good roads. They are part of the US visa waiver program. They travel to the US without a visa. They only use ESTA. You say they are in difficulties. Even your people in North Congo, they are still suffering, even though you are doing good for them. Your people in your country, in the north, Djibouti, are fleeing to Cote d'Ivoire and Burkina Faso because they don't want to die. Even though they are already not, even though they lack the basic necessities, it is not your concern. But you are concerned about people who are living a very luxury life. People of Qatar, you are a hypocrite. Okudzeto Ablakwa, you are a hypocrite. You lack common sense. Even though you have formal education, but you lack common sense. That is why you think your job as a foreign affairs minister means now charity begins abroad and not at home. Go back and think, because still charity begins at home. Show concern for the people in the Djibouti conflict, because they are Ghanaians. They voted for you guys. And that is why today you are the foreign affairs minister. I'm still Ghana bow. I love Ghana. I was born in Ghana. Even though now I'm a Dutch citizen. So any bad thing happening in Ghana, I will talk about it for you guys to fix it. Thank you. Formal education without common sense is a national disaster. Thank you.
Chese oka ya na nkrofo nti ase we Ghana nkomo adentina Ghana ya nwene ye ho saa ade chi ade sa bia dabre ye preference de mayen any other kunyane ya yesi ya throw your weight behind Qatar adan Israel for akwa attack Qatar for nti foreign affairs ministry at the statement about one thing say Ghana government are throwing weight behind Qatar say adena Israel ayen air strike no against international law and he say against international law there and na Ghana ye true ye support the amakata say ya show strong solidarity theater or machi yet Ghana ye pay asinimu ye enye de hie nie. There are pressing issues that Ghana as addressing. Benyiri ewo northern energy damuno. Amen ne Ghana for Ghana yenko kun so man enso so no small part no etukotena for aba ma nipa ne bi etu afro man no makobo mu ho adwa o man foforo so. We ne nsema as a foreign affairs ministry no mutimi etimi up with the interior ministry. Na mutimi pay a lasting solution to it, including that of Boko. Boko crisis has been with us for well over 90 years. Yentiminya solution to Boko crisis no. Yet ye jumping here the America ko enhwehwe pneumonia ko say ye control your weight behind katana katafu who say internationally in Ghana so ya there pa no asem to omo ya be show solidarity say ye do omo enhwehwe pneumonia ya yenya na nye de hianie atenten hu otua yeto yenya ase ye hura treasure no ensem bebre wo fie a edi kan ase ye ka so oman ni yenya nhwehwe pneumu bebrebe no sa ade chi ade san no ye nhwehwe pneumu de kwa abonten no chance ensem wo fie no edoso yentene ho ne yentene ase so oman ne address sa nsem na wo fie no eno ne ade ehia eno ne nsem edi ka say against international law. Now against international law, is it within the remit of Ghana? Say any Ebeka. Israel our strong ties pa America fue yet now Britain fue yet now other countries akasia can yet now semna diplomatically aya yenhweni ye. Also, America see 2026 fiscal year no on my busia biem yemum yenye debt restructuring. These are the things I say ye the energy kon ho ne adwene ho ye. Ne nya say ye the America koyan hwehwe no mu say ne ko support to Doha na Argentina Israel air strikes ne ko ho no mu sa. Enye de hianie ye ni afisem nsem ofie makram.
All right, for the first time in the history of Ghana, yenya Ghana this year, omodwane enam ntokwa kese esia manipe nipa 13,000 ena edwane akotena Cote d'Ivoire baby ombeda di ombedi kura na edene say refugees camp ena omote na so luckily happen under President John Mahama on SCSS and NDC ba ban mu bia e na asumdue ba boko ene wo man Ghana akanyina afi bio asana happen under the foreign minister during opposition COVID-19 ne ba ye onya sika twa plane ticket eko Ukraine ene Ghana this year wo Ukraine eko twitwa pictures ye videos say Oshana na kufu ado se onkofa Ghana dishi ne wo Ukraine nyina amra sabre ne Okudzeto Ablakwa parliamentary select committee e wo foreign affairs no oka ho bi na so luckily onu na say oye foreign affairs minister na ye expect ne say entokwa esi wo president John Mahama kurom Gonja land amani pa bebrewu amebie dwane akotena Cote d'Ivoire refugees camp adi ombedie baby ombeda kora na eden abusuafo se mo amunim refugees camp because refugees camp wa camp wa soldiers for mo tapoli tent bia so mo ko bush ya o mo demu enum ene ebobọ masa adehia o mo no ebia ntokwa asi o mo kurom anase asase wosuo asi na adwira manfo dan agu no munya baby na ne yabobọ ade ama o aduane kurom bedie ne 3 times a day no obunya obi wo ho a one pe once ni amamo aduane adi wa bra Ghana ntokwa nsi Ghana yenya Ghana adehia dwane akwakotena obi man so ebre na president ya o share boss won wo ba ban mu bia na asumdue de Ghana fanekwa ete ha asi ensore dan mako 10 e de ama Assemblies of God within 8 months. No one krom to kwakesi esia manipa adwane up now Okudzeto Ablakwa ate honom we de kodivu ahaya o Ukraine pra wutu elupre ko kodivu ahaya wutimi nsi ho enya hu bibia Ghana de hye da obi man so kodivu NDC fu Okudzeto Ablakwa na wo de the star no said ye Ghana mabunu no ye hwe niema ye observe niema no ye ni ada ho pa the star no mabunu no di omo ani hwe niema e wo social media mpanyimfo no na ye me de pa it is next time we mu ko opposition biema sa Okudzeto Ablakwa titiri wo tro no a wo nam radio station TV station wo twa ya Ghana fo gidi to abama mo the star no mabunu no hwe mo pa na samu trone mu tem na mu de ba se jandam na mu am ko fa sa tem ne ba ya eye mu azu na mu ye sa de ye de ye ni hwe mo na NDC kri na mu bo opposition se ewu mu a eno anu no mu ma ba mu biem.
Hey, middle of justice other with an association media so work to pa o ba ke bi pa de a kire no because Israel attack nyina no akoka wasma mo ma ke bi a kire no ye nyina te krom ha ana Ghana for 13,000 ego PM ko rivu a o makọ na refugee Ablakwa as foreign affairs minister won timi kan ho hwe or nya press conference bia addressing that issue just say is that Ghana ni bia cause of marriage just as be ajigu bia every sector of the economy nothing is working as be bia nya adwuma what I say e ti Ablakwa de o makọ ke bi pa e da kire no tira adwuma me e wo comment section aha Penyah media akra